Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
2, 1.
Anong meron? Baka makuhanan ako. Ay, napato yun. Bibigyan mo kami tapin yan, ha?
Ma'am, baba namin ha.
Ibababay na yan. Nasa loob. Valentine na Valentine. Una mo po yung pangalan. Asan nga ang pangalan yan? Wala pa yung isa eh. Sagutin mo nga muna. Hindi. Gusto ko. Pinakas. Pwede na, pwede na. Sino ba ilaan tayo? Dalawa tayo sa price. Sinong telegram ba itit?
Kaya nang lapit ako mga hagawin ka dito na.
Hello. Happy Valentine.
Ma'am Nora siya.
Hawakan mo rin dito. Hawakan mo para may picture.
Ano kayo?
Wala na. Hawakan mo para may picture.
Yes.
We are from Oliver's Worlds of Events Production.
Sa akin pa.
Pinadalan ko kayo ng isang CD telegram po.
Sa aming team.
Okay. Wow, thank you. Happy Valentine.
Thank you.
Ba't naiiyak ka, mamay?
Diyan lang muna habang nakukuha. Diyan lang sa gilid.
Nakahawak ni Ma'am Sas, para may papel ako.
Hindi kasi naiiyak siya eh.
Kasi nakapag-date ka na kahapon.
Pwede ka lang kita, Nor.
Maligaya.
In advance.
Aalis ako dito.
Maybe you soon forget about all. Maybe you miss it like I do. One thing for sure, I'm on the down. These times I'm thinking of you, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Now we know that you're a dangerous guy, and your smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Don't wanna ride, I don't wanna go. I would not know what to say. It should be you. That's how I want it to be. That's what I say. And I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're a dangerous guy, and your smile is tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Oh, oh, oh. Yesterday I was feeling safe. All I do today is try to be brave, and no melody can never soothe my mind. And now I curse you for being so sweet and so kind. And I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know that you're what's there.
Thank you, I love you.
Your smile is tattooed on my mind.
Yan ba ay may kopya kami?
And I can't get you out of my dreams. Oh, oh, oh.
Balon natin.
Halika sa mga children.
Stars fall down from the sky every time
Magkatabi tayo.
you walk by. And decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle madness in your hair, of all the starlight in your
Dami na namin.
Ay, may labas ka. Nasiyang pa isa. Ay, pero muna. Ay, yung balong na mina. Sila tingin. Bakit takip?
Isa mo, magpipicture na kayo.
got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle wonders in your hair, of all the starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around.
Ganda naman ng presentation. Nahulit.
Close to you.
Open mo kami ito tali.
Close to
Halika na, bigyan dalawa. Thank you. Ay, may message pa? Mamaya na lang.
Mom, baby. Leadership is not a skill, it's a talent. We appreciate how always give your best and inspire us to do the same. We're glad to work with you. Thank you for praising good work. Thank you for leading by example. Thank you for caring about us. And what we thank you for being so terrific for. Behind every success team or office, there is a very efficient leader. Today is a perfect day to you. Thank you for all your hard work and for dedicating your time for office work. Even you cannot give enough time to your own family. You are truly appreciated, Mauri. Happy Valentine's Day.
I love you, Mom! I love you! Ingit ako? Muntik na naman magyakapan, Ma'am.
Ginagawa mo lang yatang dahil lang. Sige na, Bernard.
Sing, hold up. I just can't handle it. Kissing, hold up. I must get around to it. I ain't ready.
Masaya pa si ate mamo eh.
Oh, all night. Like a little fish, I kinda like it. There is a little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot and cold fever. Be cool, relax, get on my track. Take your backseat, hitch like, take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. There's a little thing called love.
Meron akong chocolate dito kasi. Okay, bigay na rin.
Happy Valentine's po sa inyo po.
Thank you. You made my day. Meron pa. Meron pa raw. Meron pa.
One last song. Dito. Message ko muna before yung... Ay,
Ito Nora nandito.
ayan pala.
Naiyok ko sa dito.
Isa ako pa todo mo. Pinayak ko na namin.
Ito po yung message. Tita Nora, knowing that when we come to work, there's someone here who's so supportive and understanding, really motivates us. You're such a hard worker. It makes us tired just watching you. Hehe. This day is special and it's just for you. To tell how much we appreciate you. We cannot tell how happy we are to have a supervisor and second mother the way you are. Happy Valentine's, Tita Nora. You are very much loved and appreciated.
Thank you ah. Dito ako pala sige.
Parang ako nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama na ganito. At sadyang totoo nananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang
May mga
tunay kong nilalang.
At yun, ibaw nito yan si Piolo. Kapatid ka daw?
Ha?
Kapatid ka? Kala ko kapatid ka ni Piolo eh. Nag-smile ka?
Minsan lang ako nakadama na ganito, pagmamahal na hindi magbabago, at habang buhay na ipaglalaban ko. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman.
Nakabihis ka na.
Malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Ang tangi kong hiling ay
Gagaling nyo ha?
Ayan, ayan, tingin ka sa
Ay, so, final.
Nanood na kayo?
Final.
Happy Valentine's.
Buti na lang tinanong ako ni Mama Rubén. Parang gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung nag-win niya. Final song daw, Ma'am.
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet yung message niyo po dun sa nagpadala po.
Naiyak ka pa. Ano bang I was born? Thank you, thank you, thank you. You made my day. It's really a happy, happy Valentine. Feeling sarap.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa mga anak ko. Tsaka si ma'am, totoo ma'am yun. Idol namin kayo.
Ano pong pakiramdam ninyo na naka-receive po kayo ng singing telegram?
First time.
Feeling dalaga.
Na-excite. Feeling ko na, ikakasal ako ulit. Tsaka ngayon lang ako na serenade, ano? Di ba? It was a tradition, pero yun noon yun eh.
Modern day.
Ngayon wala na yun. Kaya ngayon, at least maganda pala ito, no?
Modern.
Really great. Touch naman ako, naiyak ako with the yung message na binigay ninyo. Ang ganda pala yan, ano?
Maganda.
Maganda yung ano nyo. Maganda
Ako ma'am
yung ganito.
ma'am nung buhay ang mister ko, nagpapadala ako lagi sa kanya ng singing telegram. Ano na, nung buhay siya. Kaya ngayon yung
Hindi ako
naalala
ganun
ko.
ka, ano eh. Mangga pa mo. Hindi ako. Doon, malayo.
Naku
Kaya pag ikaw pala ang pinadala, iba naman, iba ang feeling mo.
Hindi ko yung nasubukan magpadala ng
Parang kahit sino yung padala mo, matutuwa eh. Tsaka iba. Oo.
Ayun lang.
Salamat. Next time, we also try yung dancing.
Anong office?
Meron pang dance.